The magnificent sperm whale, giants of the deep blue sea, an endless expanse that covers over 70% of our planet, is home to a vast and diverse array of life forms. Among these creatures of the deep, one species stands out as a true giant and a symbol of the ocean's mystery and grandeur: the sperm whale. Sperm whales are remarkable marine mammals that have captured the human imagination for centuries. In this article, we will delve deep into the world of the sperm whale, exploring their anatomy, behavior, social structure, and their historical and cultural significance. Anatomy and appearance of the sperm whale. Sperm whales are the largest toothed whales on Earth, and their impressive size immediately sets them apart. Adult males, also known as bulls, can reach lengths of up to 60 feet or more, while adult females, or cows, are generally smaller, averaging around 36 feet in length. These leviathans are true giants of the ocean, with individuals sometimes weighing as much as 80 tons. Sounds amazing, right? One of the most distinctive features of the sperm whale is its massive head, which can account for up to 1/3 of its body length. This large head houses the largest brain of any animal on Earth, weighing in at an astonishing 15 to 20 pounds. Sperm whales are known for their dark gray or brownish skin, which can appear wrinkled and scarred over time due to battles with predators or other whales. Their bodies are streamlined and muscular, allowing them to navigate the depths of the ocean with ease. Another defining characteristic is their blowhole, which is located on the left side of their head and produces a distinctive forward-angled spout of water vapor when they surface to breathe. Diving and feeding behavior. What truly sets sperm whales apart is their remarkable ability to dive to extreme depths in search of prey. These cetaceans are known to descend to depths of up to 10,000 feet or more, making them some of the deepest diving creatures on the planet. Such deep dives can last for an hour or more, and they are essential for the whale's primary source of food: giant and colossal squid. Sperm whales are formidable hunters, and their diet primarily consists of these deep-sea squid species. The squid live in the dark, cold depths of the ocean, and the sperm whale's hunting prowess is adapted to this environment. They use echolocation, producing clicking sounds that bounce off objects in the water and help them locate prey in the pitch-black abyss. They are truly one of the wonderful creatures present on Earth. The stomachs of sperm whales often contain undigested squid beaks, providing valuable insights into their diet. Interestingly, the size of the squid consumed by sperm whales can be enormous, with some specimens measuring over 30 feet in length. How do these whales communicate? Sperm whales are highly social animals, and they are known to live in cohesive family units known as pods. These pods typically consist of adult females, their offspring, and sometimes a dominant adult male. The female-dominated structure of these pods is crucial for the nurturing and protection of their young. Communication within these pods is complex and is primarily achieved through a series of clicks, whistles, and other vocalizations. The intricate patterns of clicks produced by sperm whales are thought to be used for various purposes, such as navigation, locating prey, and maintaining social bonds within the group. The dominant male within a pod is often referred to as the bull. While bulls may spend much of their lives solitary or in smaller groups, they occasionally join female pods for mating purposes. Mating typically occurs in warmer waters, and males engage in fierce competitions for the attention of females. These contests can involve intense physical battles, where the males may use their massive heads as battering rams. Why do sperm whales have a historical significance? The sperm whale holds a unique place in human history and culture. It was the target of the 19th century whaling industry, which sought to harvest the whale's valuable resources, particularly its blubber and spermaceti oil. Spermaceti oil, derived from the whale's head, was highly prized for its clear, liquid state at ambient temperatures, making it ideal for use in lamps and candles. The hunt for sperm whales drove many populations to the brink of extinction, leading to international efforts to protect these majestic creatures. One of the most famous novels in literature, Herman Melville's Moby Dick centers around the obsessive quest to hunt down and kill a white sperm whale named Moby Dick, conservation efforts, and modern threats to this amazing creature. Thankfully, awareness of the importance of preserving these remarkable creatures has grown over the years, and significant efforts have been made to protect sperm whales. International agreements such as the Moratorium on Commercial Whaling and the establishment of marine protected areas have helped safeguard their populations. However, sperm whales still face modern threats, including entanglement in fishing gear, ship strikes, pollution, and habitat degradation. The long-term impacts of climate change on their prey, such as squid, could also pose a threat to their survival. Conservation organizations and researchers continue to monitor and study these magnificent animals to better understand their needs and protect their fragile ecosystems. Certainly, let's delve deeper into some key aspects of sperm whales, including their biology, behavior, cultural significance, and conservation efforts. Adaptation style of the sperm whale. Sperm whales are uniquely adapted to their deep-sea lifestyle. Their colossal size helps them conserve heat in the frigid depths, where temperatures can drop to near freezing. To achieve these remarkable dives, they possess several adaptations. Number 1. Large lungs and oxygen storage. Sperm whales have large lungs that can hold a significant amount of oxygen. This oxygen supply allows them to remain submerged for extended periods. Additionally, they store myoglobin, a protein that stores oxygen in their muscles, helping them endure prolonged dives. Number 2. Blood redistribution. During deep dives, blood is redirected away from less critical areas, such as the skin and digestive system, to vital organs like the brain and heart. This conserves oxygen and minimizes the risk of nitrogen narcosis, a condition similar to the bends in humans. Number 3. Echolocation. Sperm whales use a highly advanced echolocation system to navigate and locate prey in the dark ocean depths. Their clicks can be incredibly loud and are focused through a specialized structure in their head known as the melon. Cultural significance of sperm whales. Sperm whales hold immense cultural significance, and their portrayal in art, literature, and folklore spans centuries. Some notable aspects of their cultural importance include, number 1, Moby Dick. Herman Melville's Moby Dick remains a literary classic, drawing on the obsession with hunting a white sperm whale. Captain Ahab's relentless pursuit of Moby Dick symbolizes the destructive consequences of unchecked ambition. Number 2, indigenous folklore. In some indigenous cultures, sperm whales are revered as spiritual beings or symbols of wisdom. They feature prominently in the creation myths of certain communities. How can we conserve these creatures? Despite conservation efforts, sperm whales still face various threats. Number 1, entanglement. Sperm whales can become entangled in fishing gear, which can lead to injury or death. Initiatives are in place to develop whale-friendly fishing practices. Number 2, ship strikes. Collisions with large vessels, such as cargo ships, are a growing concern for sperm whales. Efforts are underway to establish shipping lanes that avoid critical whale habitats. Number 3, pollution. Chemical pollutants and underwater noise pollution all impact sperm whales and their prey. Reducing ocean pollution is essential for their long-term survival. Conclusion: the sperm whale is a true marvel of the natural world, a creature of immense size and intelligence that has captured our imaginations for centuries. From their deep-sea dives in search of colossal squid to their complex social structures and communication, sperm whales are a testament to the wonders of the ocean. Their historical significance, as seen in literature and the whaling industry, reminds us of the delicate balance between human activities and the preservation of Earth's magnificent creatures. As we move forward in the 21st century, it is crucial that we continue to study, protect, and cherish these giants of the deep. The sperm whale's presence in our oceans not only enriches our understanding of the natural world, but also serves as a powerful reminder of the need for responsible stewardship of our marine environments. Let us know in the comments section below about your views on these magnificent marine creatures. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up and tell us as well. We'll make some more interesting videos for you in the coming time. Thank you for connecting with us. We'll see you in the next one.